As adorable as rabbits may be, they can decimate your garden in no time. They have a special penchant for eating tender young perennials right to the ground, which means they can easily destroy new plants altogether. While you might not catch them in the act, their telltale tracks or the clean angled cuts they leave on plant stems give them away. One way to foil rabbits is to plant perennials that they generally avoid. Many of these are highly scented plants with fragrances that people enjoy. Here are a few suggestions. Give lavender a patch of full sun and well-drained soil, and it otherwise thrives on neglect. While it's renowned for its heady fragrance that tends to smooth nerves, the scent actually keeps rabbits away. Lavender makes a superb cut or dried flower. Bee balm, as its name suggests, is a favorite of pollinators. Bees, hummingbirds, and butterflies flock to its bright tubular flowers, while rabbits are repelled by the aromatic leaves. It's a carefree plant that spreads by underground runners. Most varieties grow to about 4 feet, making a colorful background to the midsummer garden. While rabbits avoid Nepeta, it's a favorite of many other creatures. Also known as catmint or catnip, it drives felines absolutely wild. Bees and butterflies are attracted to its spiky flowers. While not especially showy, it's long-blooming, well-behaved, and low maintenance. Yarrow is a resilient plant that tolerates everything from heat to cold, poor soil to drought. Both flowers and leaves are fragrant and attract bees and beneficial insects while keeping rabbits at bay. Its long-blooming flowers make a lovely addition to fresh or dried flower arrangements. Allium, also known as ornamental onion, can deter rabbits while enchanting gardeners. Its leaves smell like onion only when disturbed, which keeps nibbling rabbits away, but their dramatic flower globes are sweetly fragrant. It likes full sun or part shade and well-drained soil and makes an excellent cut flower. You can find varieties that grow anywhere from 2 feet to 5 feet, and with varying bloom times from spring to fall. While Artemisia flowers are inconspicuous, gardeners treasure it for its feathery silver foliage that softens the landscape. Its aromatic leaves not only keep rabbits away, but also mosquitoes and other unwanted insects. These are just a few of the easiest to grow rabbit-resistant plants. You'll find more at the link below. And for an extra measure of protection, safeguard your perennials with top-rated Bob-X R small animal repellent. It's made from natural ingredients, is easy to use, and long-lasting. For more garden inspiration and tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.